So I do not have a lot of time. It's like almost 4:30 and I gotta leave at 5 o'clock. So let's do this in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna use this orange color right here for my crease. I just wanted to come talk to you guys mainly about me being discouraged on YouTube. If you guys notice, there's like a pattern with me. I'll be on here, I'm like, okay, I get super inspired, super motivated to post every day or post super frequently, and I'm just like, I like mentally commit myself to just growing my YouTube, because YouTube is what I really want to do. Yes, I'm a makeup artist, but when I first started doing makeup, I started on YouTube. And of course I wasn't getting paid from YouTube, but like I didn't even care. Like I just loved doing it that much. I love being able to do my makeup and then posting it and then getting like positive feedback from people and being able to connect with people online that I don't know. Like I just loved everything about it. And when I dropped out of college, I didn't have the equipment to film, and I was just mainly focused on like becoming a better makeup artist. So during that time I fell in love with being a makeup artist, and like I just love being able to do people's makeup and make them look pretty, and I love the reaction that people would have, like just seeing them like, oh my god, I love it so much. Like I just loved everything about it. So after I built my clientele up and I was able to buy a camera, I came back on YouTube. And it was crazy. Like literally I went from like 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers so quick, and like my YouTube channel was like just getting a lot of momentum. Or no, actually I think it was like, I don't know, but I was probably like in the hundreds or something, and then I went up, but it progressed really quickly. Like it was going up. Like I was getting like so many subscribers a day. So like I was back on my YouTube channel. This was like 2 summers ago, and I loved it so much, and like I found myself like loving YouTube more than I love doing being a makeup artist. I love doing them both, but being a YouTuber was just more fulfilling for me. I don't know what it was, but of course it's like I couldn't just stop being a makeup artist, because that's what was bringing me like that income every single day. So I feel like it's been like a battle with being a YouTuber and being a makeup artist. It's like I want to be a beauty blogger, but at the same time I want to be a makeup artist, and it's like I struggle with like which one do I want to do more. And like sometimes I'm super focused on just becoming a better makeup artist, perfecting my work, and then other times I get super focused on growing my YouTube channel and just committing myself to becoming a beauty blogger. So like I literally don't know which one I want to do, and that's why like I'll come on YouTube and I'll be on here, and then like I get super discouraged after a few weeks if I don't see like the numbers just rising like I want them to. And it's even more discouraging when I see you guys telling like, oh my god, you're so underrated. Like it's not discouraging that you guys are saying that, but it's like it discourages me because it's like, wow, you guys see it too. Like you know that I'm not getting the attention that I feel like I should get. And it's like, you know, I'm not trying to throw a pity party, but it's just, this is just what goes on in my head. Like I don't know which one, and that's why I'm on YouTube and then I'm off. I'm on and I'm off. I'm on and I'm off, because that's literally my thought process. When I'm off, I'm focused on being the best makeup artist ever. When I'm on, I'm focused on being the best beauty blogger ever. This is an extreme sport right here. But yeah, so I had an epiphany last night. I watched Makeup Shayla's video on how she like got started. Like I've seen it before, but like I was watching all her videos, and it just like, you know, you watch something and it re-inspires you, and just hearing her journey like about being a makeup artist and turning into a beauty blogger. And I feel like that has always been my ultimate goal, is to become so big of a makeup artist that my platform allows for me to just transition over to a beauty blogger. But it's like at the same time, I want to work on building that up now. Like I don't want to, you know, I don't want to put it off. Like I want to put the hard work in now, but at the same time with putting the hard work in right now, I want to see it paying off. Like I want to see my YouTube channel growing, and it is growing. It grows every day. It's just growing at the rate that I want it to. And maybe that's, you know, my fault for being, I won't say it's my fault, but I could have a different outlook at it. Just because it's not growing at the rate that I want it to doesn't mean that it's not growing. And so it's just all about being patient. But I have to get over like just wanting that instant gratification, because that's how I am. If I don't see the results I want, then I'm just like, you know what, I'm over it. But it's like YouTube is something that I really want to do, and I know that to have anything you have to be consistent. And so that's why that's my struggle. And then at the same time, when you go on Instagram, everybody's doing makeup. Every single body is doing makeup. You see the same videos. Everybody is doing like just the same thing. Ooh, excuse me. I want to be an individual, and I want to stand out. Like, I don't want to just be known for being a cute popping makeup artist and my eyeshadows popping. Like, yes, this is what I'm good at, and like it allows for me to express my creativity. But more than anything, I want to help people. I want to be motivational. I want to be inspiring. I want to show people that you can do anything that you put your mind to. I want to educate you guys. And just like on the different stuff I talk about, personal development, success, and just everything else that, you know, that makes me me. Because I'm not just a girl that does makeup and is good at it, you know. Like, every single day, like, you know, my focus is so much on like growing spiritually and meditating and reading books and reading just self-help books and making sure I'm healthy and taking care of myself. So it's like I want to have a platform that encompasses everything within it. But, and so people, a lot of people feel like they can connect with me, not just, you know, this one part of me that's a makeup artist, or that is this girl that can do makeup. Like, yes, I want to help people improve their makeup skills, but I want to help people improve who they are. I want people to become more healthy. I want people to watch my videos and want to go chase their dreams and make something out of themselves. I want people to listen to my voice and get so inspired that it's like, oh my gosh, I was listening to Jamie, and ever since I listened to her, my whole life has changed in a positive way. Like, I really just want to be it all in one, like not just a makeup artist. And that's why I began doing other stuff on my channel besides just makeup, like vlogs where I can talk about just like my personal development and all that stuff, because that's important to me. And I feel like people need to see someone like them talking about positive stuff and not just low vibrational gossip and stuff like that. And like, I want to be able to show people that spirituality doesn't just look like this one, you know, like you can be pretty, wear weave and makeup and still balance your chakras and meditate every day. You don't have to have on a dashiki and wear your hair natural, or wear an afro, or wear dreads, you know. I listen to motivational stuff every single day, and it's just crazy to me that this person that I don't know, that I just listen to, he doesn't know me, I don't know him, but I just listen to him, and it's forced me to get out of my element and take action in my life. Like, that's what I want to be for people, and I feel like that's so powerful to be able to hold that much power in your voice, that it allows people for it to take change. Just having that realization last night just really made me to think like, okay, YouTube is what I want. I need to stop being like, just stop getting, ooh, I got this big old bump on the side of my face, bruh. But if this is what I want, I need to stop giving up. And I already know, it's like, as much as I teach myself about like what it takes to be successful and the law of attraction, you would think I would take my own advice and do what I know I need to do and stop giving up. Stop that. The start and stop process is what kills people, and that's what I feel like is hindering me to reaching like the success that I want, is that I stop. I always stop. Like, it's like, let me stop stopping and see what happens if I keep going. I just thank you guys so much for your support. Like, you don't understand like how that feels. Like, without you guys, it wouldn't even be possible. Like, I would just be making videos for no reason. I'm so appreciative to just have a platform where I connect with people all over the world that I don't even know. And they are so nice on the internet and love what I do. Like, that is insane. And so I'm forever grateful for all of you guys. People that watch my videos, people that like it, comment, share it, give me feedback, constructive criticism, leave me a compliment. Like, I'm so appreciative because you guys are what makes my YouTube channel thrive. Like, yes, it wouldn't thrive if I didn't post the content, but it wouldn't mean anything if I didn't have people watching it. And so I'm so appreciative for each and every one of you. And just having like support from people that don't even know me is like, it's insane. Like, when you really look at people that are successful, they're successful because they don't give up. They don't give up. It's a relentless process. And like, I feel like since I've dropped out of college and like when I just reflect back to where I am now to when I first dropped out of college, I'm so thankful for where I'm at. But I know that I want to go so much further. Does anybody have New Year's resolutions? I don't have any New Year's resolutions because like I've just been setting goals for myself and just doing everything that I can to make sure I'm accomplishing my goals. And like, you know, I just check in with myself weekly. So everything I'm doing is just a continuation from what I'm doing last year. So yeah, I don't really believe in New Year's resolutions. They may work for some people, but for me personally, I just set goals. Like, I'm always setting, like, I look at my goals every day. I set 30-day goals for myself and I break it down into weekly, like, you know, I break it down into weekly increments of what I'm going to do to achieve those goals. So say, for example, okay, this is a goal I did have. Like the second week of December, I gave myself 30 days to finish reading Rich Dad to Poor Dad. And like, you know, like I broke it down week by week of like how many pages I would need to read to get it done. And boom, I'm already done. I finished actually earlier than I anticipated. That was one goal. And I had like other goals, but I just break it down week by week and I just make sure I'm on track. Like my daily goals are on track with my weekly goals, and my weekly goals are on track with my 30-day goals, and my 30-day goals are on track with my 6-month goals. So that's what I find what works for me, because it's more realistic and it's more short term, and I feel like it's easier to achieve goals when you give yourself smaller increments to complete it. Because if you say, oh, I want to lose 30 pounds in 6 months, you could do nothing for the first 4 months, and at the last 2 months, you know, try to lose 30 pounds. No. Whereas if you say, I want to lose, for the next 30 days, I want to lose 10 pounds. So then you have a guideline. You know, the next 30 days you want to lose 10 pounds. So now what are you going to do every single week to lose 10 pounds? You're going to track it and make sure you're losing 2.5 pounds every single week. And, you know, daily you can make sure, I need to make sure my calorie deficit is lower than what I'm consuming. I need to go to the gym 4 times this week. I need to meal prep on Sunday so I have all my food, you know. So just breaking it down into smaller increments is a lot easier, I feel, and more effective, whereas just setting these high unrealistic goals for yourself for the year, you know. Because it's like, you know, 7% of people I think it's 7% of people keep their New Year's resolution. So it's like, you know, like that's such a small percentage. It's a waste of time. Like, you might as well not even doing it. Like, yes, I feel like your intentions may be good behind it, but it's like, no, it's like you have to just hold yourself accountable for the things that you say you're going to do. Honestly, lashes are like probably like my least favorite thing to put on myself. Like, I don't know why. Like, I literally wait till the last minute to put my lashes on. I hate putting lashes on. Oh, and if y'all like these lashes, they coming soon. Okay, they coming soon. I hate doing my lashes, and I hate doing my hair. But I'm going to my hair lady on, I'm going to her. She's doing my hair on Sunday because I'm going out of town. I'm going back to Indiana to see my boyfriend. And I need to, you know, make sure my hair is popping. She's gonna revamp this one up, and I have a wig that she made as a closure, but I kind of want it to be a frontal, so she's gonna remake it into a frontal. So I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be back. Okay, I just had to come in this video real quick. I'm still trying to wait for my flat iron to get hot so I can straighten my hair, but I am running late. So yeah, I just wanted to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like the get ready with me kind of talk throughs. I will be doing more of like just the talk throughs to my videos just normally. I haven't done it in the last 2, I know that, but I will be doing them again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, Jamie with 8 eyes. I'm on Twitter as well, Jamie with 8 eyes. Jamie with 8 eyes and an underscore. And yeah, follow me. Let me know that you're from my YouTube channel so I can follow you back. And thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you in my next video.